This is the best water jar ever made. Actually, this is my second one. The first one, somehow I just broke it. And I'm looking for some alternatives, but I couldn't. Still, I bought another one. This is made in Italy, and the glass is thick, really thick. And it's very good quality. You see the handle? The handle is not melted on, it's just one piece. And it's very safe to use the handle when it's full. Another good thing is that it comes with the lid. The lid, actually, you can lock this. You see? Actually, the lid is pretty tight. I can just grab the lid and hold the whole jar open. And it's sealed as well. I use this jar to store the water, just daily using. I'm using it for every day. You see, this opening is so big, even me, I can put my hand in and wash it. It's so convenient. Also, you can make all kind of juice, whatever. You just put everything in and easy to wash. So after I boiling the water, the hot water, I just dump the water inside the jar. But according to their manufacturer, they said it's good for cold stuff. It's not good for hot, very hot stuff. But I've been using this way for so many years. It's never happened. So I think, I assume it's safe. But just be careful of that, because manufacturer, they said it's not a good idea to put really hot water in it. It looks so beautiful, but you know the quality is good. Thick glass comes with the weight. So if you put a lot of water in here, like if you put water in here this high, it's heavy. So sometimes I grab the handle with the water full. Sometimes my wrist is kind of like I cannot hold it. So really be careful that if it is full, just don't let a kid to handle this, or even you need to be like really prepared just in case the wrist cannot handle the weight. All right, I like this. All my family like this. This is the second one. If this one broke, I'll buy another one. I like this so much. Highly recommend it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.